Did you know the hardest battles leave no visible wounds? He won. The enemy kneeled. And in that moment, he raised his hand and ordered his men to stand down. The camp is quiet now. Everyone is asleep. But he sits alone by a dying fire, staring at nothing. He keeps returning to the same question. Why did he spare that man? Was it mercy? He wants to believe that. He wants to believe something good lives inside him, something that chose kindness without needing a reason. But then another thought arrives, quieter and colder. Did he spare that man because he wanted his soldiers to see him as someone who shows mercy? Did he perform the virtue instead of living it? And the worst part is this, he cannot tell the difference. The feeling was the same either way. Stoicism does not ask you to act with honor. It asks you to know why you did. The examined life is not comfortable, but it is the only one worth calling yours. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.